สวัสดีค่ะ Welcome to World of Thai Food. I'm Amy, and today I'm going to show you how to make an authentic Southern sour curry paste or เครื่องแกงส้มใต้ Let's take a look at the ingredients. Shallot, garlic, fresh chili, dried chili, curcuma, shrimp paste, and sea salt. As you can see, it is not complicated at all with the ingredients, so let's get started by preparing them. And after that, I'm gonna beat them in the mortar and pestle. Then I'm gonna add the salt and then beat them. Okay, now I'm going to tell you one trick. If you want this curry to be a nice orange color, you can actually add the chili into this, but take the seed out first. That way it's gonna add the color but didn't add up the spiciness. And if you don't want to use this mortar and pestle, you can actually use the blender as well. And as you can see, I'm sniffling a little bit because the smell is very nice and it's spicy. The garlic also smells outstanding here. I normally use Thai small garlic. If you could find that, it would be perfect as well. And here, my paste is ready. It looks very fine. And then I'm going to add the shrimp paste into this mortar. Now my เครื่องแกงส้ม is ready. It is so beautiful and smells so good. If you've been to Thailand, you might see the difference between the colors here and in the southern part of Thailand, which is more orange. That also depends on the lighter color of the shrimp paste as well. And this is my เครื่องแกงส้มปักใต้ or southern sour curry paste. It is my family recipe, so try it. The ingredients are below, or visit our website worldofthaifood.com, and please don't forget to follow us on Facebook and Instagram, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you want to know what curry I'm gonna make with this paste, stay tuned for the next video. For today, have a spicy day. Bye bye.